Hi, I'm Finn from Finnovation. Today I'm going to show you how to spin a bow staff. The obvious question is,
how do you spin a bow staff and what do you need to get started?
I'm glad you asked, but before the video starts, I want to give a big shout out to London Martial Arts for teaching me how to spin a bow staff. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to need to do is select a bow staff. The first one came from a recent tree that fell down, and all we had to do was cut off the bark, but the problem with this one, it's pretty heavy and it hurts when you whack yourself. This one is rattan. It is about in the middle in weight, so it's pretty good to start off with. This one is a carbon fiber one that we got from the martial arts studio. It's a bit more expensive, but it definitely is the lightest, so you get what you pay for.
Any one of those three would work then?
Yeah. There are 3 techniques you can use to spin them. These techniques are not very good for self-defense because they don't hit that hard. The first one is probably the easiest. Probably all of you have seen it. What you do is you just go like this. Pretty easy for beginners. You can't get that fast with it. This is probably about the fastest I can do with it. But that's probably the easiest one. But this is the second hardest one. What you do is you want to drive it down like this. It comes up like a loop, like a sideways 8. And you just keep on driving it like that. And eventually what you want to do is you want to hold your hands like a 4 and loosen up your grip so it looks more fluent, like that.
Hit some speed, Finn.
Then the last technique is the hardest. This one is not very useful because, well, you can't really do much with it and you run out of room on your bow staff. So what you do is you hold your hands again with a 4, you spin it around. This takes a lot of practice, but it can't be repeated very many times because, as you can already see, I only have this much room and I started way down here. So it's not very useful. Sometimes you can throw it up and catch it like that, but it doesn't look very fluent and it's easy to mess up. So those are the 3 types of bow staff techniques. Spinning your bow staff works great with any of the ones I've shown. Rattan is a bit slower. Homemade is the slowest, but definitely the heaviest to hit with. And this is PVC pipe. We didn't show this at the beginning, but it's pretty easy to learn with because it's super light and doesn't hurt to hit yourself with. This is also really great for playing Star Wars with your friends.
Finn, where do you get a double-sided lightsaber?
That reminds me of a joke. Where do you get a double-sided lightsaber?
I don't know, Finn, where?
At the Darth Maul.
Wow, that's funny.
Before I end this video, I want to give a big thank you to all my subscribers, and thanks to John for the suggestion, but I don't think I'm quite ready to shoot a pumpkin off your head on a unicycle with a flaming arrow just yet, but I'll keep that in mind. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already.